Now, we are going to look at one more example to calculate the position of center of mass. The figure shows a uniform plate having semicircular inner and outer radii R1 and R2 respectively, and the mass of the shaded portion is capital M. We have to find the position of center of mass of a uniform plate having semicircular inner and outer boundaries of radii R1 and R2. Let us assume that the mass of the shaded portion is capital M. We have to locate y coordinate because the plate is symmetrical, so x coordinate will be located at its center of symmetry. For finding YCM, we can adopt any of the following two methods. Let us look at the first method. First, we are going to find the mass of a circular plate having radii R2. Then we are going to find the mass of the circular plate, mass of the semicircular plate having radii R1. Suppose the complete semicircular plate as shown in figure have mass capital M. This semicircular plate can be made up of two parts, like complete mass of radii R by 2, complete mass of radius R2, complete mass of radius R2 minus remaining mass of radius R1 equal to required mass of semicircular plate. Since mass is uniformly distributed, so mass will be corresponding to area. The area of the shaded portion will be equal to pi R2 square minus R1 square upon 2. This pi into R2 square minus R1 square upon 2 correspond to M. So unit area correspond to 2M upon pi R2 square minus R1 square. So mass corresponding to the bigger plate having area pi R2 square upon 2. Let us assume it is M2. This M2 will be equal to M R2 square upon R2 square minus R1 square. And area of a smaller semicircular plate, that is pi R1 square upon 2. This correspond to mass M1, and M1 here equal to M R1 square upon R2 square minus R1 square. Now we have found the masses of semicircular plate having radii R1 and R2 as M1 and M2. Now we can write equation for YCM. YCM will be equal to M2 Y2 minus M1 Y1 upon M2 minus M1. Since for semicircular plate, position of center of mass remains equal to 4R upon 3 pi from the center. So the position of center of mass of bigger semicircular plate will be located at a height of 4R2 upon 3 pi from point O, and the position of center of mass of small semicircular plate of radius R1 will be located at a distance 4R1 upon 3 pi from point O. So we have found Y1 and Y2, that is individual position of center of mass of smaller and bigger plate. We can substitute the value of Y1 and Y2 and M1 and M2 in the equation YCM equal to M2 Y2 minus M1 Y1 upon M2 minus M1. That will give us 4 R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2 square divided by 3 pi R1 plus R2. This is the position of center of mass. This is the y coordinate of center of mass with respect to point O. Now, the same example can be solved by another method. We can take a small element at a distance x from point O. The area of a small semicircular element is pi x dx. So we can find the mass of this small element dm equal to 2m upon pi r2 square minus r1 square into pi x dx. Now we can find ycm equal to integration y bar dm upon integration dm integrating from r1 to r2. What is here y? What is here y bar? Y bar is 2x upon pi. Substitute the value of y bar and put the limit from r1 to r2. We will get same result. That is ycm equal to 4 multiplied by r1 square plus r1 r2 plus r2 square divided by 3 pi r1 plus r2. This is the required result.